What we wanted to create was a classic, old school with all today's technology. I always said I never wanted someone to be driving down the road and see another car just like theirs coming at them. The 789 started out with my partner and I were out having dinner, and he asked, what's your favorite car? What do you think would be a great car to do? And I said, oh, I like a 57 Chevy. I said the 59 Bird in Flight, the wings in the back. So he started doing some napkin sketches of a 57 with a 59 rear end and kind of threw some sketches together and said, how about something like this? Harley Earl was the studio designer for General Motors at the time, and he did a different car every year. 57, 58, 59, the cars were totally different. It only was out 1 year. We finally got up enough guts to actually buy a brand new Corvette, strip it down, and then put 1,500 pounds of clay on it, sculpting the lines of a 57 Chevy, a 59 Chevy. I had to put some 58 in the middle to make it the 789.
The front of the 789 takes its inspiration from the 57 Chevy Bel-air, the doors and side mouldings from the 58 Impala, and the rear from the 59 Impala. The body of the 789 was fabricated out of carbon fibre composite with a layer of fiberglass to give a better paint finish.
The entire underneath of the car is the Camaro chassis. What we do, we take the entire body off of it. You have a almost go-kart looking car. It's somewhat enclosed because the interior all stays in it and everything, so it's all drivable. And we changed the dash a little bit and changed the seats a little bit, just cover them differently. I mean, I just love the reaction people have when they see the car. You go to a gas station and it takes you 20, 25 minutes to get gas, and then you're almost feeling rude trying to leave because people are still gawking at the car and taking pictures and everything else. The 789 was the most fun I ever had building a car. Coming up with the ideas, coming up with the way it looked, coming up with just the bizarre, putting these three models together. People always say, well, why'd you have to make a 789? I mean, if you were an artist and someone asked you, why didn't you paint the Mona Lisa? You're an artist. Why would you copy what somebody else already did, right? You gotta make your own thing.